One of the most important things you need to know if you've been involved in a car accident in Michigan is what is an uninsured motorist claim and how it might apply to you if you've been injured in a car accident. So this is actually really critical because in some cities in Michigan, like Detroit or Flint, up to 50% of the drivers that are on the road today are driving uninsured, meaning they're driving without any insurance whatsoever. So you're really, to an extent, playing Russian roulette every time you're on the roads in terms of whether you're going to be hit by someone who is well insured or someone who has no insurance. If you're hit by someone who has no insurance and if they have no collectible assets, then for most people it's going to be very difficult for you to recover anything for your injuries or for your pain and suffering. And that's why we have uninsured motorist coverage. So this is an additional insurance coverage that you can purchase from your insurance agent to protect you if this exact event precisely happens and you're hit by someone without insurance. And what happens is that after you're injured, you would then turn to your own insurance company who steps into the shoes of the uninsured at-fault driver and will defend the case and then pay out what you're entitled to at the end, just as if the person who caused your car accident had insurance. It is a critically important coverage, especially in Michigan right now, when so many people are driving uninsured. It's also a coverage that so many insurance agents, unfortunately, do a really terrible job of explaining to people. So if you're like me, when you go into an insurance agent's office and you say, I really want to protect my family as much as possible in the event of a car accident, what these insurance agents do is they might give you $1 million in coverage in what's called bodily injury protection, but that only protects the person you hurt if you cause a car accident, and it doesn't protect you if you're hurt because of someone else's negligence. So that's why it's critically important that you also purchase uninsured motorist coverage. I always recommend at least $500,000 to $1 million in coverage. It is extremely inexpensive. Many people don't even know about it. And for somewhere between $30 and $50, you're now really protecting yourself and your family if you're on the roads and you're injured by an at-fault, uninsured driver. Critically important.